the Caribbean's vibrant rum punch, a taste of the tropics. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the tropical world of the Caribbean and exploring one of its most iconic beverages, rum punch. This drink embodies the vibrant culture and history of the Caribbean. Let's find out how. Rum punch is a popular drink in the Caribbean made primarily of rum and fruit juices. Its origins are rooted in the Caribbean's history of rum production, which dates back to the colonial era. The drink is not only a testament to the region's rich history but also its abundant natural resources. A traditional rum punch has a sweet, sour, strong, and weak component. Remember the saying, 1 of sour, 2 of sweet, 3 of strong, and 4 of weak. Sour. This usually comes from lime or lemon juice. Sweet. Syrup or grenadine provides the sweetness. Strong. This is the rum. Of course. Caribbean rum, particularly from countries like Barbados and Jamaica, is often preferred. Weak. Water or fruit juices, such as pineapple or orange juice. Some variations might include dashes of bitters, freshly grated nutmeg, or other tropical fruit juices. Rum punch is more than just a drink, it's a cultural icon. It's commonly served at gatherings, festivals, and celebrations. When you sip on a rum punch, you're partaking in a tradition that goes back generations. Whether it's a beach party, a family get-together, or carnival, rum punch is often the drink of choice. If you ever want to try making rum punch, here's a simple way. 1. Squeeze some fresh lime juice. 2. Add a sweet component like grenadine or syrup. 3. Pour in the rum, the star of the show. 4. Dilute with water or a mix of fruit juices. 5. Stir well, serve over ice, and enjoy the taste of the Caribbean. That's a brief journey into the world of Caribbean rum punch. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this delightful drink that captures the essence of the Caribbean. Next time you enjoy a glass, remember the history, culture, and warmth it represents. Cheers to learning and tasting!